In today's video, we're going to talk about whether or not you should use the Google Ads Search Partners Network or the Google Display Network when setting up a brand new Google Ads campaign. Now, this video is the next step in our free Google Ads course for service-based businesses. So if you are looking for a full step-by-step guide on how to set up your campaigns from start to finish, feel free to have a look at the videos we've made so far. And stay tuned for the videos that we'll be posting daily on how to set up a successful campaign from start to finish. Now, just to go through what each of these two networks are, the Google Display Network, first of all, to put it in the easiest terms possible, is almost pretty much anywhere on the internet where Google can display your ad, but not necessarily as a text or search ad, but almost in any format possible. And this isn't the same as display ads, which aren't necessarily an issue, but you never really want to mix up search ads with display ads because the type of campaign we're trying to set up right now is a regular search campaign with text ads, and we only want our ads to appear for specific keyword searches. But Google Display Network would allow Google to just randomly have our ads shown anywhere, including on random apps, other sites as well, like YouTube. But your ads can appear for more or less anybody that's not actually searching for what you offer. And for this reason, the quality of the traffic that you ever get from the Google Display Network, even though the cost per clicks can be a lot cheaper, it's highly unlikely that you're actually going to get any qualified leads from having the Google Display Network turned on. Now, if you were running display ads, which is another type of campaign, then that's completely different, but you don't want to have the Google Display Network turned on when you're running a search campaign inside Google Ads. So straight away, I'd recommend turning that off. And the Google Search Partners Network, then, in a sense, can also be the same thing in terms of leading to a lot of poor quality traffic in some cases, but not to the same extent as the display network. Because it's still the same type of ads in terms of the text ads that you're running that your ads will appear as, and it still follows the same keyword targeting format that these ads are following, but you're allowing Google to also have your ads show up on different browsers outside of Google that Google have partnered with. So in some cases, you can still end up getting leads from using the Search Partners Network because some people might be searching for what you offer on different browsers outside Google itself, but it is still worth being careful of because a lot of the time it's still can lead to low quality traffic. So, what I'd recommend with the Search Partners Network is that you have it turned off at first. And the only scenario really I'd ever recommend turning it on is if you're struggling for traffic and impressions as a whole, and you're looking for different ways to get more traffic so you can actually spend your budget to get the amount of leads you're looking for. That's the only real scenario that I'd recommend testing out the Google Search Partners Network. But in summary, I never recommend having the display network turned on under any circumstances. And the search partners network, I don't think is necessary if you're able to get the traffic you need from Google itself. But it can be tested once you already have your campaign running for a while and you're struggling to get traffic. So hopefully this video helped and gave you some clarity on why, in my opinion, you shouldn't have the search partners network or the display network turned on when setting up a new Google Ads campaign. And now, if you do have any questions about anything we mentioned inside this video or anything else related to Google Ads, feel free to leave a comment down below. And if you do like this Google Ads related content as well, feel free to check out the other videos we've made so far on setting up a new Google Ads campaign. And we'll be posting videos each day on the rest of the steps that go into setting up the new Google Ads campaign. So I hope these videos helped and that we'll see you inside the next one.